So let's say what you want is you want to blur out this picture, but you want to blur to be more natural, like an actual camera lens blurring out the picture. In that case, you can go around and utilize the lens blur filter, which you can access by going around onto filter menu right here and by going around into blur. So once you go around, you can see that the third option that you see right here is lens blur. So if I were to go around and select this, then you can see that the blur is applied and it uses the same technique as if the camera lens is being blurred out. You can go around and change around the radius, as you can see right here. So you can go around and decrease out the radius or increase out the radius right here. And just like a camera blur right here, you can see that it blurs out the content right here. Then you got the highlight factor, as you can see right here. So the bright part right here actually can be more focused and it can be made more twinkly, as you can see right here. So it can be made like highlighted, as you can see right here. And as I change around the radius, you can see that those highlights can be focused around, as you can see, as I naturally change around the highlight factor. If I were to change around the threshold right here of the highlight, you can see that I can go around and select those highlights as well. And you can see that the highlights are more focused out right here as I move around the threshold, as you can see right here, just like this. You can go around and utilize like input, extend, and linear mask right here if you want as well, and change around the opacity, of course, of the particular lens blur that you are having over here. If I were to go around over here, you can go around and then utilize the blending modes over here as well. Like you can go around over here and let's say, for example, dissolve it out right here. You can go around and multiply this out right here. And similarly, what happens is that the lens blur is multiplied out onto the original image. Let me just go around onto replace, and this is what you have. As you can see, if I were to see split view, then you can see this out right here, just like this. So this is how you can go around and utilize the lens blur. And once you press OK, then it gets applied, as you can see right here. So this is how you can apply lens blur in picture in GIMP as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.